Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at my Dewalt 735 planer and do some troubleshooting to find out why the motor has started to run at about half a speed as it should. So I'll turn it on and show you what it's doing. You turn it on, it's running about half power, right? Motor's half RPMs, and in about 5 or 7 seconds or so, and then the breaker kicks out and it stops. So my guess is it's the armature or the field or both in the motor, but we're going to take it out and investigate and see if we can figure out if it's one or the other or both. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to run it real quick and you can see what it's doing. And there it just kicked out. So, and you can hear that it's not running anything like a 735 should run. So let's get started. I have never had one of these any further apart than taking the cover off to mess with the blades or switch them or change them or anything like that. So I know there's these 2 screws on the blower housing. Then there's 3 clips. These are 3mm Allen screws. The speed knob is a 4mm. Remove the gauge. Yeah, there's a screw behind the thickness gauge. It has to come out as well. I'm probably going to have to undo some of this wiring. Measurement scales are going to have to come off because it's going to slide over that. I get. There we go. I need to get these little screws. There's the motor wiring. This is a cover. I'm going to try not to have to take that wiring off that if I don't have to. It's a 4mm Allen bolt. Now, the fun part of getting this belt, you gotta hold this down because it has to, you pretty much, you gotta really need to roll it off there. You gotta be careful with the blades in there. Now I think we're to the point where we can get this motor out of here. There's screws up under here that mounts it. Not to lose those.
Alright, finally got this thing out. Oh no, oh, it's got, yeah, there's some, oh, I think it got so hot that it melted. I know you can't really see it in the, at first I thought it was ridges to hold it in there, but it looks like it's melted plastic. So if this was in there like this, and it's on what would be the top of the motor. Yeah, you can see that got pretty hot. Oh, you can see the plastic right there. So basically welded itself to the plastic, and you can see maybe how burnt up that is right there. I don't know if it gets on camera very well, but so needless to say, this has to be replaced as well. So Looks like we're going to need the field. And the armature, because that all burn up in between there, I'm sure is toast. So we'll get these ordered, and then I may get new bearings as well, just because it's a part. This planer is not too old. The manufacture date was 2020. So my other one was manufacture date of 2003. So I'm surprised that this one had this problem, but like I said, I might go ahead and get the bearings. So, I mean, since it's a part and I'm getting ready to, got to put it all by me. I got to put the bearings on the new armature anyway. So might as well, for 10 or 12 or $13, whatever it is, might as well put new ones in it. So, all right, I'll get some parts ordered and we will get those in and get it back together and hopefully be back in business. Take care.